99% of people don't know that. Once a group of octopuses escaped their tank at night to hunt in the ocean, then returned every morning to the lab. Scientists thought they were starving, but no, these creatures had jobs. They were literally commuting. They'd leave, hunt, eat, and come back by sunrise like it was their office. An octopus is living a better life than most of us. They're literally employed with work-life balance. Your mind is probably blown away. Comment below if this made you rethink intelligence.